Start with salt, is why the dish doesn't turn out crispy. I will share with you the practices of restaurant chefs. Remember to like the collection. Take the chopped radish, add a tablespoon of sugar. This is the key to the crispness of pickled radishes. Grasp and marinate for half an hour. Pickle out excess water. Add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce to the bowl. 2 tablespoons of aged vinegar. A spoonful of white sugar. Mix well. This simple sauce is ready. Radish squeezes dry water. Add green red millet spicy, ginger and garlic slices and some prickly ash kernels. Pour a spoonful of hot oil. Finally, pour in the pre-prepared sauce. Mix well. You can eat it after marinating for half an hour. Crispy and refreshing. It tastes better than big fish and big meat. If you like it, follow me. Shanghai green and tofu are easy to fry, fragrant and delicious. The approach is still simple. When the oil is hot, sprinkle some salt. Add tofu cubes. Fried tofu in this way is not only non-stick, it's more tasty. Fry until golden on both sides. Add minced garlic to another pot. Stir-fry the chili peppers to release their aroma. Add in the processed bok choy. Fry until the leaves are soft. Pour in tofu to taste. Add salt and MSG. Light soy sauce to improve flavor. Add a bowl of water. Boil on high heat until dry. Just mix it evenly. Fresh and flavorful. It tastes better than meat. If you like it, subscribe for more. Many people think that beer duck is just duck cooked with beer, but that's not correct. Today you need to pay attention to my method. Heat the oil and add ginger slices to saute until fragrant. Then add the chopped duck meat. Fresh duck does not need to be blanched. Cook on medium-low heat to slowly render the fat. Add garlic, star anise, and dried chili for seasoning. Add salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, a spoonful of fermented bean paste and stir evenly. Stir fry until fragrant and the color deepens. Pour in a can of beer to tenderize the meat. Add enough water to cover the ingredients. Cover the pot and simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. After the sauce thickens, add green and red chili peppers. Stir well and then it's ready to serve. This way of making beer duck is spicy and flavorful. Even better than what you find at local restaurants. Once you learn it, save the recipe and make it for your family to try. Don't directly stir-fry garlic sprouts in the pan. The garlic sprouts fried like that taste soft. Not easy to taste. I share with you 30 years of kitchen experience. First, cut the garlic sprouts into sections. We call them garlic sprouts. After cutting, add a little salt and mix well to marinate for 10 minutes. Put a kindergarten egg in the bowl. Stir quickly to disperse. Before I knew it, I had shared 889 home-cooked dishes. I haven't got your little red heart yet. For this video, please order one to encourage you. Thank you very much. Garlic seedlings sand soil and pour into my house's water. Wash off excess salt. This is the key to keeping the garlic seedlings crisp. When the oil is hot, add fatty pork to render the fat. Add lean pork and stir fry until it changes color. Add ginger and millet pepper, a little dark soy sauce, half a spoonful of cooking wine to bring out the aroma. Fry until colored. Add pickled garlic seedlings to taste. Put light soy sauce chicken essence. Turn on a high heat and quickly stir fry to taste before serving. Finally, tell me, did you learn it? Put the tofu in the bag. Smash it with something. You are about to unlock a delicious taste. Simple and delicious. Add salt to tofu, pepper, then stir the beaten, free-range eggs in one direction until well mixed. Pour into the tofu. Blend the eggs and tofu. Put it in the steamer. Boil the water for 7 and steam for 8 minutes. In another pot, add some minced meat. Stir the meat evenly in the pan. Add onion and garlic. Add a little chili paste. After frying the bean paste out of the fragrance, add a small bowl of water, salted chicken essence, light soy sauce seasoning. The water boils for a few minutes. Add a little starch water to thicken. Fry until sticky. Drizzle the minced meat over the egg tofu. Fragrant and tender. Everyone like it. You should also try it at home.